How to go live on TikTok PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can go live on TikTok, especially on your PC. So make sure to stick around till the very end of this video to understand the entire process. So first of all, just open your Chrome browser or any other browser that you're using on your PC, and here just search for TikTok. And after that, just click on this first link and wait until it will be loaded. And after that, just log into your account. And once you are logged into your account, and here at the left side of the screen, you can see these options called For You, Following, Explore and Live. So in order to go live on TikTok, you just have to click on live, and after that, here you will go live on TikTok. So this is how you will be able to go live on TikTok. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.